Ever felt like you're sending out wishes to the universe, but they're getting lost in the cosmic mail? Like your manifestations are taking forever to arrive? What if there was a way to hit the fast forward button on your dreams? To supercharge your intentions and bring them to life sooner? Get ready, because on August 30th, the universe is opening a special doorway. It's called the 830 Portal, and it's your cosmic shortcut to amplified manifestation. Think of it like this. Imagine the universe is a giant radio, and your desires are the signal. On most days, the volume is turned down low. But on August 30th, the volume gets cranked up to max. Your manifestations become crystal clear, and the universe is tuned in to make them happen. But here's the secret. Truly harness the power of this portal, you need a key. And that key is the ancient yet surprisingly simple orange peel ritual. This ritual has been used for centuries to attract abundance, ignite passion, and manifest dreams at lightning speed. And on August 30th, its power is magnified tenfold. In this video, we'll guide you through the orange peel ritual step by step. We'll show you how to set your intentions, connect with the energy of the 830 portal, and unleash the magic within you. Okay, let's begin. So, what exactly is the 830 portal, and why is it such a big deal? Let's break it down. First, let's look at the numbers. In numerology, each number carries a unique vibration and meaning. The number 8 is like the infinity symbol. It represents abundance, power, and limitless potential. The number 3 is all about creativity, communication, and expansion. It's the spark that ignites your ideas and helps you express them to the world. And that 0? It's like a cosmic amplifier, intensifying the energies of the numbers around it. Put them together, and you have a potent combination for manifestation. But that's not all. The 830 portal also aligns with a powerful astrological event, the Virgo new moon, on September 2nd. New moons are like cosmic reset buttons, offering a fresh start and the perfect opportunity to set intention. And Virgo energy is grounded, practical, and detail-oriented, exactly what you need to turn those dreams into reality. And there's one more piece to this puzzle. Angel number 830. Ever notice certain numbers popping up again and again? Those could be angel numbers, messages from the divine realm. The angel number 830 is a powerful sign of encouragement. It's a reminder to trust your intuition and take inspired action towards your goals. It's like the universe is saying, go for it. We've got your back. So, when you combine the numerology, the astrology, and the angelic guidance, the 830 portal becomes a cosmic gateway to accelerated manifestation. It's a time when the universe is conspiring to help you achieve your dream. Now, let's dive into the heart of this video, the orange peel ritual. It might sound a bit unusual, but trust me, there's ancient wisdom and powerful energy behind it. Why orange peels? Oranges are bursting with symbolism. They represent abundance, joy, and prosperity. In many cultures, they're associated with good luck and success. But it's the peel, often discarded, that holds a potent energetic secret. The orange peel contains essential oils that, when released, carry your intentions out into the universe. It's like a fragrant carrier pigeon for your dreams. You would require 1 fresh orange. Choose an orange that feels good in your hand, one that vibrates with positive energy. Sharp knife or peeler. You'll need this to carefully remove the peel. White candle. White symbolizes purity and connection to the divine. Pen and paper to clearly write down your intention. Heat-safe bowl or dish. This will hold the burning peel. After you gather all the items, follow the steps I am going to discuss now. Step 1. Set the scene. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Turn off your phone, dim the lights, and create a peaceful ambience. Light your white candle, focusing on its flame as a symbol of your inner light and the power of the universe. Step 2. Prepare your orange. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Hold the orange in your hands, feeling its texture and weight. Carefully peel the orange, keeping the peel in one long spiral if possible. This unbroken spiral represents the continuous flow of energy and the interconnectedness of all things. Step 3. Set your intention. Take your pen and paper and write down your desire. Be specific and clear. Instead of writing, "I want more money," write, "I am attracting abundance and financial freedom into my life." Write with feeling, as if your desire is already manifesting. Step 4. Infuse the peel. Hold the orange peel in your hands, close your eyes, and visualize your desire coming to life. See it, feel it, experience it as if it's already happening. Pour all your emotions, hopes, and dreams into the peel. Infuse it with your intention. Step 5. Burn and release. Carefully place the orange peel in the heat-safe bowl. Light it with the flame of the white candle. As the peel burns, watch the smoke rise, carrying your intention out into the universe. Visualize your desire being released, expanding, and manifesting in perfect alignment with the 830 portal's energy. Step 6. Gratitude, trust. Once the peel has burned completely, take a moment to express gratitude. Thank the universe for receiving your intention. Trust that it is on its way to you. Feel the peace and confidence that come with knowing you've taken a powerful step towards manifesting your dreams. Perform this ritual on August 30th to align with the peak energy of the 830 portal. Choose a desire that truly resonates with your heart. Focus on the feeling of having your desire already manifested. Release any doubts or fears. Trust in the process. Remember, manifestation is a co-creation with the universe. The orange peel ritual is a powerful tool, but your belief, intention, and action are essential. And there you have it. The ancient secret of the orange peel ritual, unlocked and ready to supercharge your manifestations on the powerful 830 portal. Remember, this isn't just about wishful thinking. It's about aligning your energy, setting clear intentions, and taking inspired action. The universe is responding to your vibration, and this ritual is your way of dialing it up to a frequency of abundance, joy, and success. As you perform this ritual on August 30th, remember these key points. Believe in the power of your intentions. Visualize your desires as if they're already happening. Feel the gratitude for what's coming your way. Trust in the divine timing of the universe. The 830 portal is a unique opportunity, a cosmic doorway swinging wide open, but it's up to you to step through it. So gather your orange, light your candle, and let the magic unfold. We'd love to hear about your experiences with the orange peel ritual. Share your stories, your manifestations, your breakthroughs in the comments below. Let's create a community of empowered manifestors, supporting each other on this incredible journey. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Let's spread the power of manifestation and help everyone tap into their full potential. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more spiritual insights, manifestation tips, and rituals to elevate your life. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Remember, you are a powerful creator. Your dreams are valid, your desires are worthy, and the universe is conspiring to help you achieve them.